presenting the large Marla Origin leather wallet, which is available in black and brown and comes in this attractive presentation box. It features 8 credit card slots, 2 large sections for banknotes, including a full-length zipped section. This premium leather wallet also features 3 inner pouches. And a good-sized coin pocket with a press stud. And a photo ID slot. The Marla Origin wallet is also protected with the latest RFID blocking technology. The technology is placed under the leather and works when the wallet is closed, helping to prevent unauthorized access to data stored on cards. Finally, the wallet is secured by a leather tab with dual position press stud. The Marla Origin leather wallet makes an ideal gift, so order yours today.